The Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way are going to collide. It's going to be a spectacular and awesome event, so mark your calendars for the date. 5 billion. Even if we found a way to stick around for 5 billion years, it is unlikely that we would be able to see this epic collision. Why, you ask? Because the Sun is going to eat the Earth. In about 5 billion years, the Sun is going to expand a lot. This is the next step in the Sun's evolution, known as the red giant phase. Mercury, Venus, and possibly even the Earth will be engulfed by this massive ball of fury. Things will go downhill much before that, however. In about 1 billion years, the Sun will get hot enough to boil our oceans and basically sterilize the planet. Maybe it's a good thing we won't be around for that. One thing we definitely want to witness, though, would be the birth of new stars from the Planetary Nebula. After the Sun is done wreaking havoc on the planets, it will shed its outer layers to form a giant cloud of gas. This is known as a planetary nebula and will be the birthplace for new stars. All that will remain of our once magnificent Sun is its core. A small white dwarf that will stay lit for hundreds of trillions of years before finally sputtering out. But what if the Earth managed to survive the Sun's super temper? Well, we'd witness space anew. Without the massive Sun to hold the planets in place, we'd likely be sent off hurtling through the galaxy. It would definitely get quite chilly without the Sun's heat, but if we were able to teleport to the Earth, we'd see things we've never seen before. Imagine being able to look up and see a brand new sky. It would be a magnificent sight, and if we get really lucky, we might just be able to see a supernova. When a star much bigger than our own Sun reaches the end of its life, it goes out with the most spectacular explosion in the universe. A supernova. A nearby star, Betelgeuse, is set to explode in the next million years. It will light up the night sky like a full moon. If we're lucky, we may get to experience it in our lifetimes. The universe is truly an amazing place. While we may miss all these events, there are so many awesome things we can appreciate. For one, you can check out this video on the giant among planets, Jupiter. Be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this and drop a like to keep wandering through the cosmos.